Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. This video is a continuation of my upright freezer. I divided the job into 5 sections. The door was the first section, and this second video is the bottom shelf. It's nice not to feel like I need to do it all at one time. First, I took everything out. We usually keep raspberries in this section of the freezer, but we've been eating them regularly, so there was some extra space. The shelf was pretty dirty. I would imagine someone spilled something and it froze. Anyway, I took some time to clean the shelf. I filled up the raspberries in the freezer container that I keep them in with some more of the loose bags of raspberries. I relocated the Sloppy Joe mix. I took all of the strawberries I had on the top shelf in the corner and put them down with the raspberries. I put some of the loose bags of berries in some gallon Ziploc bags so they're less likely to fall out of the freezer that way. That was it for the berry shelf. Find a drawer, shelf, or small area that you can declutter. Set the timer for 10 minutes and enjoy the results. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos like this.